Kitty drinking my Pepsi.
He's putting his face inside the cup.
Oh shoot, is he gonna drop it?
So what does a man
How
like
did it
me
taste,
get
Kitty?
for $22.50? Beer and toilet paper. Hell yeah.
Oh, so good.
So what would you buy for $22.50?
He's like, I don't know how to drink this. Don't. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, my cat's a bitch.
He's not a female dog. He's a cat bitch. He's not a female cat. He's a male. He's camera shy.
Okay, stop. Cat, you're gonna drop my... Oh, stop it.
And I'm not picking it up.
Okay. He's okay. He's okay.